Assembly of a Modulift spreader beam. It is important to refer to the correct user instructions when assembling the Modulift spreader beam. The user instructions provide the correct bolt tightening torque and the spanner size required. All genuine Modulift components have a data plate, as shown on this beam. Please check the data plates on each component to ensure the correct size is used. Always ensure the longest strut is placed centrally with the shortest towards the end unit. Remember to refer to the user instructions for the correct bolt tightening torque and the spanner size required. The larger hole of the drop link is placed inside the jaw of the end unit. It is important to secure the nut and safety pin with a split pin, following standard procedures for the split pin being opened. The Modulift spreader beam. Safe, adaptable, lightweight, portable.